Okay, so let's look at electron configurations. If we look at a periodic table, we can see that we have the S block, the D block, the P block, and the F block. The S block can hold 1, 2 electrons. The P block can hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The D block 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the lanthanides 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now the thing is, I'm erasing these. The thing is, as we look at this, we need to remember that the S is the lowest energy, the P is the next energy, the D is the third highest energy, and the F is the most energy of all. When we are writing electron configurations, I grab this. If we want to know what hydrogen's electron configuration is, we find where it is on the periodic table. It's here in the first row. So you first tell me the row that it's in. So this would be in row 1. Now what block is it in? Well, it's in the S block. So we come back. It's in 1S. And what column is it in? What spot in the block? It's the first spot right here. So 1S1. So this would look like 1S1. That's our electron configuration. For helium, do the same thing. It's in row 1, block S, 1, 2. So it's 1S2 because it's 2 here. So helium would be 1S2. Now let's look at lithium. Lithium, we can't get to row 2 before we fill up row 1. So we go 1S2, 2S1. So helium is 2S1, 1S2 comes in front of it. This was 1S2, and this was 1S1. So you could see each element, we're just adding one more. I wish those would stay. That's clear. So we come back here. If we're going to do beryllium, it's 1S2, 1S1, 2. We're still in the S block, but now we're in the second row, 2S1, 2. So beryllium is 1S2, 2S2. Lithium was 1S1, 2S1. Helium was 1S2. Sorry, that was 1S2, 2S1. And this is 1S1 because you can't move to the next orbital sublevel before filling up the first one. Let's look at boron. We can't go to boron before, can't fill up boron without filling up the ones before. So 1S, so boron would be 1S2 because we have to fill those up. Then go to the next row, 2S1, 2. Now, we're now in the P block. So that's 2P, and it's just the first one, so it's 2P1. Now let's look at carbon. We have to start back at the beginning again. Erase that. So if we start back at the beginning, for carbon, we're doing this one, start at row 1, block S, 1, 2. We finished row 1, now we can go to row 2, block S, 1, 2. We finished the S block, but now we're in the P block, but we're still in the second row, so it's 2S, that's not S, 2P, let's fix that, 2P, 1, 2. So what would nitrogen be? And if we were doing nitrogen, it'd be 1s2, 2s2, 2p3 if we were doing nitrogen. And we go clear over until 6 until we did our neon. Now let's, for the fun of it, skip down and do a vanadium. For vanadium, you'd have to start back at the beginning. So if we're doing vanadium, start 1s, 1, 2. We've got row 1 all done. We're in row 2 now. 2, still in the S block, S, 1, 2. Got that. Now we go to the 2p block. Anytime you change the orbital, whether S, P, D, or F, you have to tell me what row it's in, what energy level it's in. So 2p, this is going to be filled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so 2p6. Then we come to row 3, it's going to be 3s, 1, 2. Come across, we're at 3p, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3p6. All you're doing here is counting. Then we're here at 4, we're in the S block. We got to fill the S block, 1, 2. And now we are in the 4th row, but if you look, it's kind of like you can't start counting the D block until right here. You can't start counting the D block. So the D block, it's more like 1, 2, 3. So this is 3D. It's not 4D, it's 3D. So that's where it gets a little confusing. So that becomes 3D. So we've done 4s2, and then now it's 3D, 1, 2, 3. So on your Nearpod, I want you to complete these sections here. All these atoms, I want you to complete on your Nearpod. Look at the periodic table and count and create those electron configurations clear up to Scandinavian. Now I did vanadium for you, and I did up to carbon for you. So most of them are done.